Hey guys, I'm Raul Morales and I'm a buyer's representative and founder of Mycasa Real Estate, where we have all properties in the region and we get you the best price. Let's see what our property specialist Luis has for us today.
Welcome to Serenata, the real estate video presentation brought to you by Mycasa Real Estate. I have to start by acknowledging that the location at Serenata is amazing. Between 1st and 5th Avenue in downtown Playa del Carmen. It can get better than that. Only 5 blocks from the beach, ideal for vacation rental investment. The units already have sold out, most of them. There's probably 20-25% of the inventory available. The units are delivered with air conditioning and laundry area and amenities such as elevator, roof garden, swimming pool, barbecue area, and underground parking. The availability today is studios and 2 bedrooms. The prices ranging $106,000 to $273,000 with square footage 376 to 1,000 square feet. They deliver unfurnished. Again, let me remind you, one of the best features about this development is located really close to the CTM Avenue that takes you down to the beach where all the nice beach clubs are. It's a 8-minute walk from the development. Perfect for people who would like to have everything conveniently close in downtown Playa del Carmen, bars, restaurants, everything you need to have fun right on 5th Avenue. Guys, contact us today so then we can be neighbors tomorrow.
If you'd like more information on this property or on any other property in the Riviera Maya, just email us. Well, thanks for watching and let's be neighbors soon.